Hi guys, so this is the first video of our longer format that we're going to have every day covering some different areas of the development process, either product development, business development, or a tech update. And so this video is going to be our first product update. And I wanted to go into a little bit about what SyncQL is and why we want to build it. So when developers and businesses are trying to build applications, they always have this dilemma, do they build or do they buy? Right? Do they build it from scratch on their own database with their own entity models, or do they buy a third-party API and build on that? So do they create their own CRM or do they buy Salesforce? Do they create their own project management system or do they buy Trello? And there's a lot of great softwares out there that companies want to buy, but the challenge is in integrating all of them and building your back-end applications on top of the APIs. And so what companies get into is this dilemma where either they have to build it themselves or they have to buy it. And if they buy it, integrating the different systems that they've purchased is almost as complicated as building it themselves. And they don't really get any cost savings. It's still very difficult to integrate, still very difficult to build. And so the pain point is that there's no way to build native business applications on third-party APIs in a way that's performant, secure, and transactional, such that if you make an update on one API, it persists to another API. And that's what SyncQL is here to solve. So with SyncQL, it allows developers to build one application using any third-party API as if that third-party API was a part of their data database. With one entity model, with one object graph. And that's a really exciting product that doesn't quite exist in the market in this way. And the way it works is by creating web transactions and bringing all of the APIs that you use into one data model, into one data graph. And it keeps track of everything for you. You can operate on it from one abstraction, and all those things get pushed out and synchronized with all the third-party APIs, and they get synchronized back. And so it's a really exciting product. It's something that we've wanted to use for our customers. We've wanted to use in our own products, and we think it has a wide market appeal to developers and businesses. So that's just a quick introduction of SyncQL and kind of what the product is and the product vision. We're going to get more into the feature set and where we want to take product development in future videos. Well, thanks. Have a great day.